Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another beautiful day here on Tiamat Island in Malaysia. So this morning we had a little bit of bad news, and unfortunately the ferry tomorrow is cancelled, which means we've got to stay here for an extra day. It's not the best thing in the world. It sounds great, don't get me wrong. Staying an extra night on this beautiful island is exactly what we need. But guys do have to get back to work on Friday. So they're now missing work on Friday, which isn't great. But unfortunately, these things happen and it's completely out of our control. But the good news is this morning, we're going diving again. Now, this video I sort of wanted to do something a little bit different to what I usually do. And so part of this video is going to be a follow-on for the thing which I've just seen on Netflix recently, and it's gone wild all over the world. Loads of people have been watching it, and it's Seaspiracy. So obviously the ocean is very, very close to my heart as a scuba diving instructor and also as a lover of the oceans. Really sad to see some of the stuff that is going on in the world with the overfishing, the shark finning and all this stuff. Now we're very fortunate here on Tiamat that there is none of that. Obviously fishing does go on, but here in Malaysia the ocean's so clear, they're gorgeous, and that's what we're here to do today. We're gonna go scuba diving. We're gonna have a look closer at some of the oceans. Obviously yesterday was a little bit different because I was doing a Discover Scuba dive with my friends, and I was teaching them how to basically do the entry-level dive course. But today Ella and I are just gonna go diving. The guys are gonna still come on the boat and they're gonna do some snorkeling. We're actually gonna get down, go a little bit deeper and see some of the stuff in the ocean. I'm really, really excited to be going out there. Guys, I hope you enjoy this one. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button. And also press the little bell notification. You can see all the notifications for all the future videos coming up as well. Guys, let's jump straight in the water. Let's go. So we've turned up to the dive site. The first dive we did today, my SD card wasn't formatted, so I lost all the footage. And then it stopped. It was really nice because we saw a turtle as well. But diving's not just about the videos, it's about the experience. And right now it is, look at this, it is absolute glass. Crystal clear. So we're going to dive number 2 very shortly. Let's go. So guys, that was the diving. I hope you enjoyed it. So this video I titled the way I did because Seaspiracy is a huge thing at the moment. Everyone's watching it. It's on Netflix. If you haven't seen it already, make sure you go and check it out. But it's sort of touches on the thing about fishing, and it talks a little bit more about the fact that plastic is an issue, but compared to fishing nets and stuff, it isn't. So here on Tiamat, right here where we are at the moment, it's actually relatively clean. There are laws and stuff about fishing. Malaysia's done it fantastically. But what it does have is the occasional bit of trash coming in. And today when we were diving, I was hoping to do a whole video about how nice it is here, but we did find a huge net over the top of the corals. It was pulling off the corals and stuff like that. So I spent a bit of time cutting it off, taking it out, and taking it up to the surface and getting it out of there. So yeah, so it's an issue all over the world, even in the places which have laws on it. Now I'm not 100% on what the laws are here in Malaysia, so obviously I'm not gonna treat this as like a documentary, but it is relatively clean here, and that's just from experience of diving. Anyway guys, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. We are now going to head onto some bikes and head down to Kek, get a little bit of food, stock up at the duty free, and go and sit on the beach and chill out a little bit. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please make sure you do that, and I hope you enjoy the rest of it. Right, we are going back to Kek. Going to go get some bikes again. Charles is going to get a bike which works this time, with handlebars and all that, yeah. Right, what a beautiful day. It's just been raining, so it's not that nice little bit of weather.
La, 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 la.
So we've just stopped on the way. If you look above me, there is a load of fruit bats that just chilling in the tree, making a racket. I mean, look at them, they're absolutely incredible. Yeah, nature! So this is chicken, is this spicy?
Little bit.
Little bit, that's
Yeah.
fine. Okay,
four.
yeah, 4. And then 2 kebabs.
Only this you want?
Yeah, I'll try it.
ringgit maybe?
Yeah.
So we've just stopped for a little bit of food. King John kebab. I think it's just, I love food like this because it's so cheap and it's probably like delicious. It's all homemade. So we've got kebabs and just chicken. And then we're gonna head to the beach and chill out, have a couple of drinks and have a swim. Today's been so relaxed because obviously, like I said this morning, we've been pushed back a day, so I feel like we can relax a little bit more knowing that we've got the full day tomorrow as well. And I believe we're having a barbecue tonight as well, which will be really nice with all the dive staff. Obviously I work at the dive school before, doing courses and stuff, so I know the guys there, and they're like, it's a family resort, it's all friendly, everyone's lovely, and I love it. But yeah, so we're gonna grab our food and head down to the beach. How's the food, guys?
Yum.
Tasty? We've got kebab. You'll never believe it. If you saw the vlog a couple of days ago, Charles broke his bike. He's broke his pedal this time.
I don't know what you're on about.
Right. Unbelievable, Jeff. Just made it back from the bike ride and the beach. It's barbecue time to finish off the night. Really excited. Everyone in the dive school is coming together. Gonna have a couple of drinks, for some food and the barbecue. What a great end to a holiday. Guys, highly recommend coming to Tiamat. It's absolutely fantastic. If you do live in Malaysia, it's nice to travel a little bit. But anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit the notification bell and the big thumbs up, and I'll see you all next time.
I just wanna hear you say